Namaskar friends, my name is Paras Vadhavan and I'm very happy and great seeing you today. So I want to say, have a conversation. I want to have a conversation about about all the things you really want to do, but we are stopped by what people will they say. Now, what will they say is not what they will say, but what they might say isn't true. That means, whenever we want to take a leap or to do something something very different from what we have done before, that is the fear, the which really pulls us back. A fear of a possible criticism of what we could do, that it seems to have a lot of hold over us. I am not different, my friends. I am also petrified about what will people say, and for the longest period in my life I have been held back by what will people say, till I discover something interesting. People will say what they will say. um, whatever you do, how will it be if I can go about things that really inspires me. So if people criticize you, don't take badly, because criticism means it's enlightening you, it's inspiring you, and you can go about really inspires you, and then you can discover something really phenomenal. Yes, there have been naysayers. Naysayers means it's a person, it's criticize you and objects to oppose something. Of course, there have been naysayers is around the world, but in my life I have also managed to, and you have also managed to. Inspire the people actually say that one of my friend, he just told me, what Paras, I never thought that somebody like you at your age could reinvent, so do things afresh. And now remember, always remember, a critical part is a criticism, I know that, but I am not doing it for them. In my life, I am doing things for myself, for my fulfillment. So here is it is, my friends. It all begins with us. It's all begin with what we want to do to fulfill ourselves, and we stop ourselves in fear what someone else may say, and then we end, right? So don't think about criticism. Don't think about criticism, because when you people think about criticism now, you end up living your lives, and it will be disgruntled and thinking it about others. And if only others in some way or the other and encouraged us, I would have done this, and I would have done that. Friends, we are our biggest encouragement. Be your own cheerleader. I promise you, you will find cheerleaders in others too, as you do things that inspires you, and few people were not your cheerleaders to say things which you don't like with a bow. Accept that too, because that is available to each one of us. Criticism, bricks and buckets. Remember, we are not determined by either one of them. We are determined by what we are committed to in our life. I would love to hear your thoughts on how you have not been stopped by the possible criticism that people may give to you, but have been governed by things that inspires you. So always cheers, always say Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi, spread the good word to all of them. And people, please, if some people are criticize you, don't take badly, because criticism, it's enriching you, it inspires you. You understand my point? So उन लोगों की चिंता मत कीजिए जो आपके महत्व को नहीं जानता, राइट? क्योंकि वो इंसान कभी भी आप लोगों को नहीं जान पाएगा जिसे आपकी भावनाओं की कदर नहीं है। यू अंडरस्टैंड माई पॉइंट? जियो जी भर के, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, अल शुक्रन जिंदगी बोलो, अल शुक्रन बंधु बोलो। Good night and happy Friendship Day to all of you. Thank you so much. Love you, India.